Okay, music of Baroque period. So, let's go. Year 1685 and 1750. So, the word Baroque is derived from the Portuguese word Barroco, which means pearl of irregular shape. Some of the great composers of this time was George Friedrich Handel, Johann Sebastian, and Claudio Monteverdi, Antonio Vivaldi. During this time, the arts highlighted grandiose, elaborate ornamentation were clearly seen in musical compositions created by Baroque composers. Characteristics of Baroque music. So, new instrumental techniques and changes in musical notation were developed. Major and minor tonality were created at this period. A lot of musical terms and concepts that evolved in this era are still used today. So, characteristics of Baroque music is melodies sound elaborate and ornamental. So, maganda talaga pakinggan. Melodies are not easy to sing or remember. Kumbaga meron silang kakaiba yung kanilang melody. Hindi basta-basta matatandaan. And primarily contrapuntal puntal textures with some homophony, dynamic contrast, alternation between loud and soft. Music genres, meron tayong operas, oratorios, suites, toccatas, concerto, grosso, fugue. Orchestra consists of strings and continues. Harpsichord and organs or keyboard instruments are commonly used. So, concerto, grosso, music genres of Baroque period. A form of orchestral music wherein the music is between small or of group solo instruments called concertino and the whole orchestra called tutti. Yan. Let's go. So, music genres of Baroque period, meron tayong concerto. A form of orchestral music that employs solo instrument accompanied by an orchestra. Let's go. Next is fugue. Contrapuntal piece developed mainly by imitative counterpoint. Oratorio, music genre for a period, a large-scale musical composition for orchestra and voices that incorporates narratives or religious themes and unlike usual theatrical works is usually performed without the use of costumes, scenery or action. It is usually written in native language for intended audience only. Chorale, music composition that resemble harmonized version of hymnal tunes of the Protestant Church during the Baroque era. Famous composers of the Baroque period. Sino nga ba? Ano mga ba mga sikat na to? Mga composers. Johann Sebastian Bach. So, taga Germany to, March 21, 1685 to July 28, 1750. So, Bach was a religious man. So, ano to his personal deep faith shown in his sacred music. He was known for compositions for the organ, orchestra, and oratorio. So, si Johann, so J.S. Bach or Bach came from the family of musicians. So, talaga may pinanggalingan yung genes niya sa pagiging musical inclined. He was taught to play violin by his father, was then a town musician in Acerach. He entered school at the age 7, where he taught religion. When he were taught religion and other subjects, he became orphaned at the age of 10. Medyo salimuot pala yung buhay nito. His brother, a church organist, provided for him. Bach's beautiful soprano singing voice helped him to be accepted to a school in Lundberg. Few years later, his voice changed and Bach focused his attention to playing the violin in harpsichord. Yun. Bach was a religious man. His personal and deep faith is shown in his sacred music, and he was known for composition for organ, orchestra, and oratorio. His most important long-term compositions were as cantor as at St. Thomas Church. His famous works in Mass in minor B minor, Brandsburg Concertos, Cantata 208 and 211, Fugue in G minor, Toccata, and Fugue in D minor. Okay, so yun. So, Concerto Grosso, meron siya nun, meron siyang masses, yung Mass in B minor, Meron siyang kantata 208 and 211. Yun. So, meron din siyang mga works sa harpsichord and clavichord. Yun. Let's go with another composer, si George Friedrich Handel. Yun. Wait lang. So, hindi, si George Friedrich pala to. So, George Handel, or Friedrich Handel, born on Germany, February 23, 1685, died in London, April 14, 759. Medyo, no? So, George Handel was second son of the second marriage of a pastor's kid, no? Despite of his father's opposition, George secretly taught himself to play the harpsichord. So, at age 7, he gained access to a church organ, started to play. A duke heard him play, insisted on giving him a formal music education under Zachau, organist in Halle Cathedral. He studied counterpoint, canon, and fugue. You know. So, Handel, remembered for his operas and oratorios, Handel became England's favorite composer. Handel lost both of his eyesight in 1753 when he conducted the oratorio Samson and Few. In the audience were unaware that he had lost his eyesight. Galing, no? So, pa rin siya, nagkakandak na hindi nila alam na wala na pala siyang paningin. His most famous composition is The Messiah. Galing, galing. Galing ni George Friedrich Handel. Kahit bulag na, nakakapagana pa siya. Nakakapagkandak. Galing, galing. So, yun. Meron tayong isang, ito si Vivaldi naman pala. Nakalimutan si Vivaldi. So, Antonio Vivaldi, born in Venice, March 4, 1678, died in Vienna, July 28, 1741. Vivaldi nicknamed as second, Prit Rosso, the Red Priest, because of his red hair. The Red Priest ang tawag sa kanya, yung pinakapalayaw niya. Baroque composer, Italian na Baroque composer, because of his red hair, tinawag siyang the Red Priest. Catholic priest and virtuoso in violinist. Recognized one of the greatest Baroque composers, his influence during the lifetime was widespread over Europe. Vivaldi is known for violin as well as sacred choral works. Over 40 operas. He entered the priesthood and was ordained in 703. Vivaldi, well known for giving the strings of a major role in composition. His famous piece was the Four Seasons. This composition is a series of 4 violin concerti depicting each of the seasons, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Yan, yun pala yung famous naman niya. No? So, yun. Let's go. Ayun, yun na pala yung sa music of Baroque. Okay. So, before we end up with this one, ano ba yung reflection dito? Wala na. Okay, okay na yun.